Certain number of spherical drops of a liquid of radius small r coalesces to form a single drop of radius capital R and volume V. If T is the surface tension of the liquid, then four options are here. We have to find the right one. Let n drops having radius small r be combined to form one big drop having radius capital R. Here volume would be the same. Therefore, n times 4 by 3 pi small r cube equals 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Here few terms are getting cancelled. 4 by 3 and pi and another pi. So, we have a relation here. It is n equals capital R cube divided by small r cube. We will be using this relation in our future steps. Therefore, we are keeping it here. N equals capital R cube divided by small r cube. Change in surface area. Del A equals 4 pi capital R square minus n times 4 pi small r square. Now, let us substitute the value of n here. Capital R cube divided by small r cube multiply 4 pi r square. Here we cancel r square. 1 r square, 1 r square. So here we have 1 small r. Good. So del A equals 4 pi r cube multiply within bracket 1 upon capital R minus 1 upon small r. We keep this relation here. Del A equals 4 pi r cube within bracket 1 upon capital R minus 1 upon small r. Del E equals T times del A. What is del E? The change in surface energy. T is the surface tension. Del A is the change in area. Change in surface energy is the del E. Del A is the change in area. T is the surface tension of the liquid. Change in energy del E equals T times del A. Del E equals T times 4 pi r cube within bracket 1 upon capital R minus 1 upon small r. So del E equals 3T multiply 4 by 3 pi r cube within bracket 1 upon r minus 1 upon small r. Here what you have done, we are multiplying it 3 and dividing it by 3 to get volume into the picture. So 4 by 3 pi r cube becomes volume. So we replace 4 by 3 pi r cube by a letter capital V. So 3TV within bracket 1 upon capital R minus 1 upon small r. It is a negative quantity. It is because capital R is a bigger value. So 1 by capital R is a smaller value. The small r is a smaller value. 1 upon small r becomes a bigger value. So small value minus a bigger value is a negative value. So from this negative, what we understand is del E equals 3TV multiply 1 upon R minus 1 upon capital R is released. The energy is released. So the right option is option C is correct.